Today we're making rainbow mini cupcakes.
Today we're making rainbow
Mini cupcakes. Let's get piping. First, I get to start off with the piping bag.
My turn.
Isn't my cousin doing such a good job? You're done. Cupping time! Cupping time!
What is my cupcakes? Sticky. Next, we're gonna do one of these ones. These. There.
Sprinkle time! Ooh, I love this glitter!
I love this glitter.
Who has the best cupcake?
Me! Okay, both of us.
And they're both his hot.
So what was the most fun part about making the cupcake?
I like to put the toppings. I'm the best.
What about you, Mimi?
The heart she's drinking too.
Okay, girls, are you ready to eat some?
I'm gonna eat the topping.
You're gonna eat one topping as well? Okay.
I'm gonna eat the topping.
Okay, Mia, you choose one topping as well.
Super yummy. Yes.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you can meet
To like, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to be part of the series.
Bye. Bye.
Me and Ari Attempts every Saturday.